we've all been there before. You're at a concert, you're taking the dog for a walk or whatever else, and you get no place to put your phone. Either your pockets are too full, or they're too small, or they just don't exist. Well, our next guest has made it their mission to help you hold on to your phone no matter what is in the way.
Yes, so you don't drop it like I have 3 times. Here from GearBeast, our co-founders June Park and Jonathan Maganat. Oh gosh.
Magasanic.
Magasanic. I'm so sorry. See, it takes a Boston guy to pronounce your name.
It's Magasanic over here.
But, yeah, good to have you, Magasanic. All right. Hey, let's talk about GearBeast. The company was founded 7 years ago.
Absolutely. It was founded 7 years ago with 3 partners, myself, Jonathan, and we have another partner who's on the road for us as well, RJ. We actually, it was at the beginning when we saw smartphones becoming more central pieces of our lives. So we wanted to come up with accessories that allow you to use your cell phone and hold your cell phones while you're doing activities, right? Make it easier. We kind of want to we want to say that we're developing the smartest way for you to accessorize your phone, and that's kind of how we started. And we have a lot of universal solutions around that.
No doubt. You're actually you're showing off one of them right now. These smartphone lanyards are pretty smart. Let's talk about these.
We are. So we initially set out to solve a problem for me personally. I'm a big skier, and I always wanted a place to put my phone where I could access it easily, quickly, but not drop it off the chairlift. And this was what we came up with. Little did we know that this would solve so many problems that people didn't even understand that they had. And as June mentioned, you're using your phone in scenarios that you never contemplated before. You need it at the grocery store, your shopping list's on it, you need to pay for things. So this allows you to keep your phone on your body, obviously, hands-free, it's safe and secure, I can grab it whenever I need. And our customers have told us, we have a great little solution here, you can click it off so I can give JJ my phone.
No, it's awesome.
Or you can take our picture. But what you end up with is this concept that I have full accessibility, hands-free, and people are using it whether it's walking their dog, skiing as I mentioned, concerts, sporting events as you mentioned, you name it, anywhere you want to have hands-free access to your phone.
And it's very smart on the back as well. You have this little card holder. So let's say you want to slide your credit card in here, you want to leave the rest of your purse or something away while you're on the slopes or whatever it might be. It's right here.
Yes, very much so.
You know what I appreciate about it as well is it's not very bulky, so you can slip that in your purse really easily. I mean, it leaves the phone pretty slender.
Yes, it really doesn't have much bulk at all to the depth of the phone. And you have full access to the phone while it's still attached.
Awesome.
Can we go on to the next thing that you're offering today, which is super cool, and that is a way for people to carry their cards on their phone. We've seen a few of these on the market, but this one is super cool.
So again, kind of since your life is centralized around this, and you're, for the reason I developed it is because I kept leaving my wallet at home and then bringing my cell phone, right?
It's the two things you need.
So we brought it together and then added a stick-on wallet. So then it also allowed me to kind of minimize myself and carry my essentials. Credit card, usually I have my ID in here, but there's my Metro Pass, a little bit of cash. But that's all you really need these days because this wallet not only allows you to just carry your essentials, but still gives you access to your digital pay wallet apps and gives you full access to your screen.
We all do the tap. It's the phone, wallet, keys. You have to make sure that you got all 3. That's one less tap you have to worry about.
Absolutely.
Actually, and for ladies, we have one more tap, and that's our lip gloss.
Oh yes.
But that's it. I love to see. And speaking of ladies, look at the cute designs. We have some of the female producers in my ear going, "Ooh, cute." But I mean, super cute on your phone doesn't hurt because, frankly, there are accessories these days.
And it appeals to virtually everybody. Young kids going out who are going out for the night. They want their ID, maybe a credit card, a little cash. Works perfectly.
No doubt.
And to someone like myself, to your point, I stick my my driver's license and a card in it, and off I go.
Perfect.
Yep.
How about this right here? This is pretty. There's a lot going on with this. It's not just a kickstand, but it's a lot more.
This is our latest introduction that we're announcing here at CES. This is our Grip Kick smartphone grip with kickstand. There's a mouthful for you, huh? But we were is the Grip Kick, and what this does, it sticks onto the back of your phone. It's got an ergonomically shaped surfboard design. So you can slide your fingers right underneath there.
Awesome.
Hold your phone, talk on your phone. What's nice about it is you can flip it around, and unlike other solutions, you don't have to hold it. So I can grab things, I can pull my luggage through the airport, I can push a stroller, and it's all right here, and I can flip it back. And then the genius of it is you pop it open, and now you have a stand. So if I want to use it for a conference call, I set the mic towards me. If I want to stream video and watch the morning blend,
if your
there I
kids
go.
Screaming at the airport, you want to play some Sesame Street so they calm down. Boom, you can do that. There we go. You continue using that stroller, airport thing. I'm in that life right now, so that's what I'm saying.
Again, I have to point out, this is so low profile, so it won't get caught when you try to stick it in your purse.
Correct.
And that's a big thing. I love these. These are hot.
Fantastic.
And super cute, too.
15 seconds left. What's next for Gear Beast?
Well, we're going to keep introducing things. We've got a couple more solutions that we'll introduce this spring around the family of lanyards. A side one where you'll wear it over your shoulder, so it'll rest on your head. Crossbody.
Nice.
And then we've got a few more tricks up our sleeve that you'll see, but you can see all the new releases on following us on social media or at gearbeast.com.
Awesome.
Good idea. Great to have you guys. Both of you.
Thanks, John.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you guys very much.
My fellow Bostonian over there. Hey, don't let devices complicate your life. Let Gear Beast help you take your tech with you stress-free. Learn more at gearbeast.com. You can also find the products at various online and brick-and-mortar retailers as well.